दूसरी बात है पैसे। तो मैं दोनों से खुश था और जो रोल था वो बेहतरीन था। और मैं सच कहता हूँ कि इतने साल 12 साल तूने क्यों नहीं फिल्म डायरेक्ट की, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता। इसके बाद तो लगातार कर 12 साल, उसके बाद रिटायर्ड हो जा। लेकिन वो देख करते हुए हमको तो कुछ करना नहीं है। इन लोगों ने वो जिस तरह से वो स्लैपस्टिक की है, मुझे तो सीरियसली करना था और वो जैसे करना था मैंने कर दिया। अब देख लो आपको कैसा लगता है।
My second question goes to Akshay sir. Sir, the excitement for the film is on a high, but it also comes at the heels of when another film of yours has got into some trouble with Paresh Sing's exit in Hera Fairy 3. So I wanted to ask you, like, the fans have been so disappointed and they have said so many things, including calling Paresh sir foolish for taking this step of leaving this franchise. What do you have to say so as to calm this?
Okay, let me first tell you one thing. What's your name? क्या बोलना है?
Akash Bhatta.
आकाश जी, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको कहूँगा कि using this kind of word for one of my co-star, like a foolish word or something, I would not appreciate it. I would say that that's not right. He's been with me. I've worked with him since last 30 साल से, 32 साल से मैं उनके साथ काम करते हैं. We are very good friends. He's a great actor. I really admire him. And जो भी कुछ है, I don't think so this is a place where I'm going to talk about it, because whatever has to happen, it's a very serious matter. It is a matter which is going to be handled by the court and things like that. So I don't think I'm going to speak about it here.
Respect, respect. Good work.
Hi Nitish.
हिंदी में पूछे, हिंदी में.
Hi, hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Firstly, huge congratulations. The trailer is amazing.
Thank you so much.
Houseful franchise from the start. What do you think the audiences? Why do you think the audiences keep coming back to this film even after 5 films? What is that one thing that brings back the audiences?
I think Abhishek Bachchan. We did part 3. People loved it. Part 4, we missed him, and he's back here with part 5. But I just feel that when we did Houseful, we never thought it would be a franchise. But I think, Sajid Nadara came up with a brilliant script, and then it became part 2, and then part 3. Sajid Khan directed that one, and we are here with part 5. I think the love from the audience has been immense for this franchise, and that's the reason we are back. Hopefully, people watch this film with as much love they have watched the previous parts, and hopefully we come back with part 6 again.
Thank you. So I'm going to have one question for you. This is your debut, big debut, and it's a big moment for you. Tell us, what was your first day on set? How was it? And who made you laugh the loudest on the sets?
I think I'm truly grateful and very privileged to be sharing a screen space with all these followers, and it's an amazing opportunity, and I feel truly blessed. And from the day one, I felt like we are on a picnic. Everybody's so warm, welcoming. Not even for a moment I felt like that this is my first big, film and opportunity. I'm so grateful to everyone who made me feel like